This one's for Hannah. Hi, my name's Angelique, Giggle Guru. This month's theme is infomercials. This week is miscellaneous laughter. And today we're doing snore strips. So imagine we're laying in bed, we put our snore strip on. Maybe you have a snoring laughter. All right, put your snore strip on. Is your snore strip working? Put it on, press it down. Thumbs down for me. Working. They don't work. They don't work. Not for me. Or do they work? Oh, try it again. Snore strip laughter. Maybe, maybe not. Drop a comment below if you ever tried them. Do they work for you? All right, I'll catch you in the next clip. And remember to share a smile with a stranger because you never know. It may just change their day.